Only a 15-minute drive from the amazing Punta Uva Beach, a house for sale with jungle views on a 3-acre titled freehold lot in a gated community. This is a new, spacious 180 square meters home with high ceilings, built according to an architectural project. The house is practically completed. All that remains is for you to install the windows and doors of your choice, and your panoramic jungle view home will be ready. It features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's ideal for living or for rental investment. Located in a secure gated community just 5.8 kilometers, that's 3.6 miles, from Punta Uva Beach, which ranked among the top beaches in the world in 2025. Only 4.6 kilometers, that's 2.9 miles, to supermarkets, cafés, and restaurants. And importantly, no 4x4 required. It's the perfect combination. Being minutes from the best beaches on Costa Rica's Caribbean coast, close to the developed infrastructure of Puerto Viejo, while enjoying the peace of nature, toucans, parrots, sloths, in a safe gated community with great neighbors. Electric gated entrance. Private water well. Electricity connected. High-speed internet. Starlink Wi-Fi. Natural creek bordering the property. And most importantly, the expansive 3.10-acre lot provides additional building potential for future expansion or development. This is space, privacy, security, and a smart investment in Costa Rica. PuntaUvaRealty.com, we offer only freehold properties, carefully verified by experienced real estate attorneys.